The camera? What are you saying to the camera? You gonna play with your animals? Yeah, go play with your animals. Can you show the animals to the camera?
Bye-bye.
What animals do you have?
A fish.
That's a fish. What does the fish say?
Boo-boo.
Bloop, 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 bloop. What other animals do you have?
A fish. A fish. A fish.
What other animals do you have?
Fish.
You have a fish there. What other animals?
Yay. Zebra.
A zebra. What does a zebra say?
Zebra.
It says neigh.
Yeah.
No, no. What says that then?
Fish.
A horse says neigh. A horse says neigh. Can you say, what does a horse say?
Yay.
Neigh. What else?
Zebra.
Zebra also says neigh.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. Okay.
Mouse.
What else do you have?
Us.
What other animals do you have?
Elf.
You got a horse. What other animals do you have, Paul?
Zebra.
You have a zebra. Is that it? Just a zebra and a horse and a fish?
Red.
Okay. Can you say goodbye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.